Okay, you got the first part correct for this question. Okay, now how to factorize the B part is to how to factorize. You use long division method to obtain this. That's fine. Okay, that's okay to find this part of the mathematical expression. Now you have to proceed to factorize this. Okay, uh, and then with that, if you have three brackets, let's say you have three brackets, and then the third part of the question say that solve the equation. I mean, if this equal to 0, okay, then x equal to -2 is the answer, and then similarly here, x equal to whatever here, x equal. Those are the solution to the equation. Okay. Now, first let's factorize this first. Uh, Now, how do you factorize this? First of all, uh, take this times this. 6 times 20, which give you 120. Now, uh, if you have a positive here and you have a negative here, that means it's actually minus. Okay, that means you add the two minus x value together to give you 17 minus 17x. Okay, now let's find the factor whereby the sum is equal to 17. Why sum? Because minus this times x give you a negative x, minus this times x also give you another x. So the sum of the two negative x give you 17. Okay? Now, so what you have to do is find the factor where the sum of the two factor will give you 17. Let's start off with 120. Okay, this one doesn't meet the requirement. 2 times 60. The sum doesn't give you 17, so this is out also. Then you have 3 times 40. The sum of it gives you 34, which is out. Then you have 4 times 30. The sum of it is 34. Okay, which is also incorrect. Now, let's come to 5. 5 times 2. 5 times 4. The sum of it gives you 29, which is also incorrect. Now you have 6 times 20. The sum of it also doesn't give you 17x, 17. Now, what else you have? We have 6, 7 is not a factor. Then 8 divided 8 here. 1 times 5. Okay. The sum of it doesn't give you 17. 8 plus 23. So it's not. What else do you have? What about 9? Okay. 9. No. 10. 10 times 12. The sum is 22. Also cannot. So okay. Now can you factorize this? Can you factorize this? Now let's 6 is A. Let's check. Minus 17 is B. Plus 20 is C. For this to be able to factorize and give you a solution, B square must be bigger than 4AC, equal of 4AC. Now, B square is minus 17 square. Then 4 times A, which which is 6 times C, which is 20, minus 17 times 17 is actually equal to 289. Okay, this actually give you a value of 480. Okay, now from here we can see clearly 289 is less than 480. Therefore, there's no solution. That means to say this part here cannot be factorized. Okay, so this remain as, but there's no solution for this part here. No solution. Okay, so you can see clearly b squared is less than 4ac. So d is basically using the quadratic formula where x equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So if this part here end up negative, b squared is only 289, but 4ac is 480, so we end up negative. So this part here become a square root negative value. That means there is no solution from here at all. Okay, if no solution from here, therefore you cannot factorize this part here. So if the last part solve this equation, you can only say that the function that we have earlier is equal to x squared plus 2, okay, 6x2 minus 17x plus 20, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Okay, now if this is equal to 0, so x plus 2 is equal to 0, or this thing becomes 0. Okay, okay, but we found this one couldn't be factorized either using the normal factorization or using the quadratic formula. They must say there's no solution for us. So the only solution is here x equal to minus 2. This one no valid solution. The reason is for this to be equal to 0, when you use the quadratic formula, b squared is less than 4ac, another negative value, square root, so there's no valid answer for it. Okay, that's it.